Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to get somebody a little help. They've lost their common shapes or basic shapes, which are underneath your polygon tool, and they've lost it. Even, I made a video just yesterday or day before on making sure it was turned on right here. You can turn it off and then you don't have it. So I thought maybe that was the problem. You can see now it's gone. But if you hit the plus key, and he's even tried rebooting the computer with F8, and it evidently there's something going wrong. So the only other way I know how to do it would be to go to Tools, Options, Customization. And in some versions, earlier versions, it was called Basic Shapes. But you need to pick this one right here that shows the shapes, not this one. And then we're going to go down here and make a new shortcut. We're going to call it alternate C for common shapes, assign it, and say OK. Now watch what happens. Alternate C is going to open up this dialog where you could go get your heart and draw a heart or draw anything. This is pretty cool to see it's not there until you alternate C, and then it's going to open up this dialog, much like if you were clicking here. So let's see if that doesn't help him and get it back to him. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.